Mr. Wyrick here for SMS Technology, and I hope you are watching this video on a phone or a tablet, because if you are, I want you to take your phone and swivel it to the left, to the right, up, down. This is a 360-degree video, and we recorded this using the GoPro Fusion 360 camera. Now it'll still work if you're on a laptop or a desktop. You'll just have to click and drag with your mouse to swivel it around. But we decided to take this GoPro camera and mount it onto our Lego robots and drive them around the cafeteria. Let's take a look at those clips.
Put it on the ground and let go. Be careful, Travis. That will. It'll hold it on. Drive the bus. You can drive the bus now.